Welcome back, everyone! It's officially spooky season, and I'm so excited to share my favorite Halloween treats with you. Whether you're throwing a party or just want some festive snacks, these recipes are easy, fun, and perfect for all ages. Grab your apron and let's get baking, Halloween style. First up, we're making a classic Halloween treat, mummy hot dogs. These are not only super cute, but they're also incredibly easy to make and always a crowd pleaser. Whether you're hosting a spooky party or just want a fun snack for the family, these little mummies are sure to bring smiles to everyone's faces. For this recipe, you'll need just 3 simple ingredients: hot dogs, crescent roll dough, and some candy eyeballs. You can find these at most grocery stores, and they make the process quick and fun. If you want to get creative, you can even use mini sausages for bite-sized mummies, or try different types of dough for a twist. Start by unrolling your crescent dough onto a clean surface. Gently press the seams together so you have one big sheet. Then, using a pizza cutter or a sharp knife, slice the dough into thin strips. These will become the mummy's bandages. Try to keep the strips even, but don't worry if they're a little wonky. It adds to the spooky effect. Now, take each hot dog and wrap it with the dough strips, crisscrossing them to look like mummy bandages. Be sure to leave a small gap near the top for the face, where you'll add the eyes later. This is a great step for kids to help with, since it's fun and hands-on. Place your wrapped hot dogs onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Pop them into a preheated oven at 375 degrees and bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the dough is puffed up and golden brown. Your kitchen will start to smell amazing. Once they're out of the oven and still warm, it's time to give your mummies some personality. Use a tiny dab of ketchup or mustard to stick on the candy eyes. If you don't have candy eyes, you can use dots of mustard or even small pieces of olive for a spooky look. Serve your mummy hot dogs on a festive platter with your favorite dipping sauces, ketchup, mustard, or even a spicy sriracha mayo. They're adorable, a little spooky, and absolutely perfect for dipping and sharing. These treats are always a huge hit at Halloween parties, and they disappear fast. Kids and adults alike can't resist their charm, and they make a great addition to any spooky spread. Now that we've made our savory mummies, let's move on to something sweet and just as festive. Next up, let's whip up some adorable witch hat cookies. These are perfect for Halloween parties or a fun family baking night. The best part? You only need 3 simple ingredients to create these magical treats: chocolate cookies, Hershey's Kisses, and some vibrant orange icing. It's a recipe that's as easy as it is festive, and you'll love how quickly they come together. Start by arranging your chocolate cookies on a tray, making sure to leave a little space between each one so you have plenty of room to decorate. Next, take your orange icing and pipe a generous dot right in the center of each cookie. This will act as the glue that holds your witch hat together, and it adds a pop of festive color. Now, gently press a Hershey's Kiss onto the icing, right in the middle of the cookie. The chocolate kiss forms the pointy top of the witch's hat, instantly transforming your cookie into a Halloween masterpiece. For an extra touch of magic, pipe a ring of icing around the base of the kiss to create a colorful hat band. You can make it as thick or as thin as you like. Get creative. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors. Try orange, purple, or green icing for a truly spellbinding look. Add sprinkles or edible glitter if you want to make your hats even more enchanting. Let the icing set for a few minutes so everything stays in place. And just like that, you've got a tray full of magical, chocolatey treats that are sure to impress your guests. These cookies are so simple to make that even little witches and wizards can join in the fun. It's a fantastic activity for kids and adults to do together. So gather your ingredients, invite your friends or family, and get ready for some monster fun in the kitchen with these delightful witch hat cookies. Get ready for a monstrously fun treat. Monster Rice Krispie Treats. These are not your ordinary snacks. They're a playful twist on the classic, perfect for Halloween parties, family gatherings, or just a creative afternoon in the kitchen. Whether you're a kid or just a kid at heart, you'll love making and eating these spooky, silly treats. Start by making your classic Rice Krispie Treats. But here's where the magic happens. Add a few drops of food coloring to your melted marshmallows. Green and purple are perfect for a monster vibe, but you can experiment with any colors you like. Stir until the color is even and bright, making sure every bit is coated for that bold monster look. Once your mixture is ready, press it firmly into a greased pan. Use a spatula or wax paper to smooth the top so your monsters have a nice, even surface. Let the treats cool completely. This helps them hold their shape when you cut them. Then slice them into squares or rectangles, or even use cookie cutters for fun shapes. Now comes the best part. Decorating! Use colored icing to stick on candy eyes, draw silly or scary mouths, and add sprinkles for extra texture. You can use mini chocolate chips, licorice, or any fun candies you have on hand. Let your imagination run wild and create a whole cast of monster characters. Each treat can have its own monster personality. Some can be goofy, others spooky, and a few downright adorable. Mix and match decorations to make every single one unique. This is a fantastic activity to do with kids, friends, or family. Everyone can join in, share ideas, and see who can make the silliest or scariest monster. It's a great way to spark creativity and laughter in the kitchen. Remember, no two monsters are ever the same. That's what makes this treat so much fun. Each one is a little work of edible art. Ready for more spooky snacks? Up next, we'll show you how to make ghostly Rice Krispie treats that are just as fun and delicious. Stay tuned. For a sweet and salty treat, let's make ghostly pretzel rods. Dip pretzel rods in melted white chocolate, covering about 2/3. Lay them on parchment paper and quickly add mini chocolate chips for eyes and a mouth. Let them set until the chocolate hardens. They're cute, crunchy, and perfect for snacking. These look great on any Halloween dessert table. Simple, spooky, and delicious. Now, let's get festive with brownies. Turn brownies into a pumpkin patch. Start with cooled brownies. Pipe orange frosting mounds for pumpkins. Add green M&M pieces or icing for stems and vines. Scatter pumpkins of different sizes for a natural look. Optional, sprinkle crushed cookies for dirt. It's a fun, festive twist on a classic dessert. These are always a crowd pleaser. Ready for some creepy cupcakes? Spiderweb cupcakes are next. Frost-cooled cupcakes with white or orange icing. Pipe a black icing spiral from the center out. Drag a toothpick from the center outward to create web lines. Repeat around the cupcake for a full web effect. Top with a candy spider for the finishing touch. They look impressive but are super easy to make. Perfect for Halloween parties. Let's finish with a no-bake treat. For a colorful, no-bake dessert, try candy corn parfaits. Layer yellow pudding, orange jello or pudding, and whipped cream in clear cups. Chill between layers for clean lines. Top with candy corn for a festive finish. These look just like candy corn and taste amazing. They're light, creamy, and so easy to assemble. Great for kids and adults alike. Now, let's wrap things up. And that's it. 7 easy, spooky treats for Halloween. I hope you're inspired to get creative in the kitchen this season. Share your creations in the comments or tag me on social media. I love seeing what you make. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun recipes. Have a safe, happy Halloween filled with treats and smiles. Bye, everyone!